Alright, you can see here this is a mountain landscape and it's a triangular shape, completely wooden frame. You can see this is a solid wood and I'm doing the acrylic paint on top of the wood canvas. So this canvas was DIY handmade canvas. Now you can see the slopes of the mountain. So this is another mountain and another one, and you can see the long pine trees at the bottom. So for the details of the pine trees we need a different the second time strokes. So let's make it a little bit darker. Okay, and the branches on the sides you can see here I'm just doing right now. There's a little bit details. Okay, so usually these pine trees are very sustainable during the snowfalls because of its pointy characters. So it's sustained with a heavy mountain harsh environment. Okay, and some trees also you can see here which is looks like a black color, but that's also defines the trees same time. Now we are going to paint a house here in this position. So let's take the wooden color and do the platform like the mountain house characteristics. Okay, so it just stays on some taller poles. Okay, and you can see the house, it has a pitched roof. Mhm, very taller. All right, and a long deck to the mountain sides. Okay, awesome. That's also connected at the bottom with another pole. So there's the beauty of the mountain landscapes. Now we're going to take the white color to define the pitch roof of the house and make the color segment little bit different. Okay, so I'm just putting the hatches for the pitch roof characters. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, so the mountain house, there's a deck, and here we're just putting other colors. Okay, now just doing the borders. All right, there's going to be a bigger tree which is going to be inclined from the side which is on top of the house. Okay, and doing some branches at the bottom of the trees just to show the shading characters. It's a quite bigger tree and you can see there are lots of leaves here. Just putting the green color on the top just to show the tree, very lively one. Okay, and some shades you can see here. Little bit white color is mixed up with the whole surface. All right, the tree looking good. Few trees characters you're just putting also with the hedges here, and also along these dark lines just showing the tree lines here and few strokes in the terrain. Okay. And only one more thing is left. There's the details of the windows here, so we're going to take the black color just to show the window of the house. So one window is this one, another window is going to be this one, two windows. And if it's possible, then let's try just separating the outline. Okay, now it looks little bit better than before. All right, and put the little outline for the trees here too. Okay. All right, so looks like that it's a lively scenery. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.